How to delete search history on Google Play Store. So I'm going to show you a step-by-step process on how to delete your search history on Google Play Store. To do that, open the Play Store app on your device and tap on your profile icon located here on the top right corner. And then select Settings, and then tap on General, Account Preferences and Notifications. Under the section, find Account and Device Preferences and select that. Scroll down and look for Clear Device Search History. It says Remove searches you have performed on this device. So tap on that. It will ask for your confirmation. It says all searches you've made in Play on this device will be removed. So if you want to proceed, click on Clear History and you will see a toast notification that says Search History Cleared. So it's very simple and easy to follow.